Let's do some burnouts, boys. Alright, give you all a little backstory. Before we moved out here, we had a little post when we only had, I think we had like 900 YouTube subscribers, and we said if we hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, we was gonna do a, fat burnout. We also posted a Facebook post here recently and said if we got 1,000 likes within a certain amount of time, we're gonna go ahead and go through with it. I kind of want to get a little crazy. I'm gonna have a little fun with it. So I took the slicks off. Found these bad boys for $100, brand new. Some Ultra Rides. I don't know, but they look pretty good. So I'm gonna get them on the car. Alrighty guys, where are we going?
To do a Aussie burnout.
Yeah. With the race dog with us. Hey, you ready? Here we are at an undisclosed location. About to whip some donuts in the BMW right there. Hey Cody, you gonna whip some donuts in your BMW?
No. Probably not. Doesn't spin tires, I don't think.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Hey, what are you doing? If it's not raining, you gotta make it rain.
Oh, yeah.
You are so cool, come on, baby, let's not fight. We'll go dancing, everything will be alright.
Try to air up our street tires, boys. Helmet for safety.
Sit on a throne of lies. Let's party.
Look at this whole fucking thing is still full. Look at, that's how you build a motherfucking motor, boy. 170 after all that nonsense. Thank you, Kelly Nate and Outlaw. Both of y'all contributed. This motherfucker runs good. That was fun. Hey, what do you think, buddy? Was that pretty good? That was. Y'all gonna have to let me know if I killed the tipping or not. All right? Y'all gotta let me know. Alrighty, guys. Well, thanks for hanging out with us on this fabulous Saturday.
I might die.
As always, why, the methanol? My
That's the
eyes!
worst it's ever been.
Ah.
My eyes are burning.
Ah! Look at, I'm crying. All right, guys. Well, as always, like, subscribe, and share. We definitely been feeling the love lately. Thank you guys very much. He's been a huge help too. Thanks, Cody. Shout out to this motherfucker right here.